We try naman kung paano mag-solve ng mga trigonometric functions or integrals of powers of trigonometric functions. Just like this one, no? So we have here the integral of sine cube of x, cosine squared x dx. So as you can see here, ano ba yung rule natin? Ang rule natin is that we try to locate, alin ba dito may odd power? So here, yung sine x, dito yung may odd power, which is the power of 3. So, hihiwalay na natin kaagad dito that sine cube x can be written as sine squared x times sine x times cosine squared x dx. So, which means, itong sine x dx natin, itong dalawang to. So, this will represent as your du. So, ang target natin, makakuha kayo ng, kumbaga sa ano, you will have this, para bang, anticipate nyo na, yung du ninyo dito will be of the form na sine x dx. So, laging ganoon. So, if kung ano man yung odd power ninyo, kumbaga sa ano hiwalay nyo na yung isang portion doon that will represent as your du. Therefore, ano ba yung, para bang you have to do the antiderivative, no? Ano ba yung function na ang kanyang derivative is sine x dx. And you will see that the derivative of cosine x is equal to sine x dx, or sorry, it should be negative sine x dx. Therefore, this you will now change itong sine squared dito as an identity na mayroong cosine squared. So that is your sine squared x will be, as you know, ang sine squared x, this is equal to 1 minus cosine squared x. Okay? So we try to substitute yung sine squared x natin, yung kanyang identity, which is 1 minus cosine squared x. And then, again, we have here the cosine squared x. Then, you'll have here the sine x dx. So, substitute lang naman natin yung sine squared natin, which is of the form na 1 minus cosine squared x. And then, we still have here the cosine squared x. And then, ito nga sinasabi natin, this will represent yung sine x dx ninyo as your du. Therefore, your u will be equal to, it should be equal to, if you let your u, para bang ano na natin, you let your u to be equal to cosine x. Therefore, your du, as here, this will become negative sine x dx. Okay? Therefore, your dx, or negative du, this will be equal to sine x dx. So by substitution, we will have here 1 minus your cosine squared x, that will be equal to u squared, multiplied to u squared. Then sine x dx, this is equal to negative du. Therefore, you will have here the negative here, du. Okay? Then afterwards, we will have here u squared minus u to the 4th du. And you have here the negative sa labas. Okay, by power rule, we will just have here u cubed over 3. Right, we still have the negative there. You have here minus u to the 5th over 5. Let's see. Right? And what is your u? Your u is equal to cosine x. Therefore, your final answer for the integral of sine cube x cosine squared dx will be equal to the negative of quantity. Your u is cosine. So this is cosine x over 3 minus cosine the 5th x over 5. Okay, so
No, you have to waste time.